Ready to truly make your Weverse profile shine and connect deeper with your favorite artists and fellow fans? First things first, open your Weverse app. You'll want to tap on your current profile icon, usually found in the bottom right corner of the main feed. This is your gateway to personalization. Once you're on your profile page, look for the Edit Profile button. It's typically located near your profile picture. Tap that to start making your magic happen. Now, let's customize. Tap on your current profile picture placeholder to upload a new one or change it. You can also add or change your cover image here to give your profile that extra visual flair. Next up, your username. You can adjust this to whatever best represents you. Make sure it's something memorable. Don't forget to tap next or save to confirm any changes you make to your picture and username. Let's get personal with your bio. Scroll down and you'll find a space to write a short bio. This is your chance to share your interests, your bias, or anything that makes you, you. Think of it as your elevator pitch to the community. Now, for privacy, look for the privacy settings here. You can control who sees your posts or your profile activity. Adjust these to create the comfortable fan experience you're looking for. Once you're happy, be sure to hit that final done or save button at the top or bottom of the screen. And there you have it. Your Weverse profile is now perfectly tailored to you, ready for deeper engagement. Happy fanning.